Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'umugusi.
Nagosogera mwanchomo ligirare begataseni kya Ndizi TV waire byande onsi asogena tokoboko bwatia emerobeli yaitu kurubwaga kete goikira chinga kibuna echi yaragirense ya moya bono mogoroba sentunde ndeto kumira na sembeo ekirenga eke no koneka tojera kobato kumanya mange nganyare kobagwateka korubwa kete goikira chinga kibuna echi tokubaterana amuna bariki baito bamangana amayali tukola lero nigo eskuru ose University ya East Africa Baraton yenyara kobage kwarigania omoyega bwoko bekerwa egutwase aboroki w'abanyarako bagokora umurobelyo bwekiseme omoyega onyarako wikiranirwa amuno murayibwense Dr. William Ruto na mange to kwariganetie kuri negura nandase kagitari getambe nyarako bato kumanya nkanyarako bagagwateka. Omwanchomo ligirane naboko yabwatia amayaya ensa eya moya bono mogorobo gwetera semitanda yote ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital gwetera YouTube Ndizi TV News abo gwetera ase website ya www.ndizitv.net sara momanyi nera toko bwatera nera kona kiabura chibichamanelyo gichago chira senchira yobo ikirano eliane ngoro kwa Jos Fatamisi bunerebo tambe sensemo ya kabere yamaya ensa eyamo ya bono mogoroba ninchikoba yinkobo manya omugani hoyo nyalire kobaga goikirana imeye studio chikoba to kuligeria mange anene igoro ya obiya nobobe hubwanyale ko bokoletwa amona maigerio aria yobomanyi wechi computer gose computer training omugani one nyale koba goikirana me studio ni moreta sensemo ya kabire honyale koba gusanga amonero nyoko bwateri bori nabo boigore nobo sibore bogo kwanera engana eyo ne aye kolengana nomo Kenya oroche obiya bwanyale ko bokoletwa amonobo manyi bwechi computer nigo banyale ko ba obonge ose banyale ko ba bokobe gose amaya amabaye nyale ko bagakoletwa kubatakana na obiya bwa okomanya chi computer mogeni one no are asensemo ya kabere student yala ko batagosanga amonera senchira yobokerelia negoro kwa Jos Fatamisi toko ya chaka amaya korwa ase ensemo elierengete obo chenuni gobono Abakenya abanyareko baba kobori gwa koba maiso ili banyareko baba gwetangano kwambokerwa kwa oborire bwa monkeypox ayankolengana na omonya kirogo bwa committee yobo chenu yo yaba governor oyiboigore omogavana bwe county ya Tharaka Nithi Mudomi Njuki niganyarako baga ko yakwana ayalitkolero magayo wikirana ase omanyega bwa masabo yinyarako bakolekana ase county ya Embugo kwana nigo Mudomi hanyale kobaga kuria eiranga chiserikali chichi county nigo chire maiso kubwaterana mune wizara enene ye wizara enene yobo chenu ya serikali enene helio konekia buna boruire oboti boligo chikobabo kwambokirwa nigo achire magega ya ebi kagerogose aba kagerwa babere kurase county ya Kiambu nabo igo kisi banyalire koba bago kagerwa ngagotwara oboruiro bwo nyana bonigo obolingo lya bogenderete helio konekia buna kerokende barwalete amono buruire obwo bwa mpox oboruiro bwo nigo bo kwambokirwa ko bwatekana na gochia semanya bantu nigo bona bakenya banyareko bagukurero banyareko ba maiso nabo igo kwenekia ngabanyareko bagwetanga amono buriro
Bwana moderator katika Kenya saa hii kuna ugonjwa ambaye imepatikana. Hii ugonjwa zamani sana hapa tulikuwa tunaita kidhuku. Mwisho kidhuku. Itakuwa smallpox. Lakini saa hii imepatikana ingine iko na nguvu kuliko smallpox. Inatoka kwa wanyama. Zamani ilikuwa inaitwa monkeypox. Lakini saa hii imetolewa monkey ikawekwa M, inaitwa mpox. Hii ugonjwa ni hatari sana. Kwa sababu katika watu 100 wale wanaipata 6 ama 10 wataenda. Inashika sana sana watoto wadogo na wale wazee. Hawa wengine wako katikati sio sana. Na wale wako na immune system iko chini pia inawalemea. Na hiyo ugonjwa inapatikana sana kwa wale watu wana deal na wanyama kama kule Kongo. Hapa kwetu pia kuna watu ambao wanaenda kukichakani kwenda kuwinda. Wengine wameweka wanyama kama nyumbani zao. It is only one of the few diseases ambayo inakuwa transmitted kutoka mnyama kuja kwa binadamu. And it is very dangerous. Na kwa sababu hatuna vaccine saa hii and we have no way of preventing it. Ile tumeamua kufanya kama serikali ni kutoa kitu inaitwa awareness. Ujue. Ili tukipata mtu mmoja ako nayo kwa etura ama in the village, usianze kufikiria kwamba hakuna shida, wacha tumuonyeshe mapenzi, tumfurahie. Ukipata mtu ambaye ako na ile ugonjwa inakaa kama ile kidhuku, ile smallpox. Kama ametravel kutoka Nairobi, kutoka Mombasa na pale ingine, tumesema vile tulikuwa tunafanya wakati wa corona. Tunamfanyia isolation mpaka apone. Kwa sababu akishikisha kijiji mzima itakuwa shida. So right now tunaomba muendelee kunawa mikono, kutumia sabuni, na wale wanapatikana nayo usiseme huyu ni wetu, wacha tumfungie blanketi, ndio waonyeshe mapenzi. Lakini they must be isolated ili isishike kijiji mzima, hospitali zetu zijae kuliko vile zinafaa kukua. Awareness kwamba hiyo ugonjwa iko. Na tusicheze kwa sababu inaweza turudisha pahali tulikuwa zamani before we got the
Ntore nogo semelia buna abakenya mbanyarakoba bakoba maiso anene ase omukagerwa uyo nyarakoba gosonya letokoba gotoka se county ya Kisii ndi nyarakoba maiso uburiro bumbo nyarakoba bo kwambukira gochia se abantu barabange to ligereria boigo ni golitwira lero umurai bwense Daktari William Ruto anyarakobaga goikirana somo ya bokobekirwa kigutwa ase aborokiwa ime ya University ya East African Baraton yego toka se county ya Nandi gokwana kurwa sensemeyo nigo Ruto anyarakobaga koigerana kogokera umurobelio wa monchorerio anene ase sekta yechisemi nyarete kobaga koirege tambokero na koleta monchoreria yo hanene chigaki arenge omo waziri wechisemi ase serikali ya omora oyo renge omora iwense Mwai Kibaki kolengana nera ni gonyarete kobaga kwenekia buna abana habo bare kobaga kotigaranga ase myakebere magaya barabu ya sonania amone chisemi che university omorobelio nyarete kobaga kwera limorioka boyo kwenekia nga abana banyare kobaga koira ebirebi keke ilikuwa kinga banyareko bakogenderia mone chisemi cyabo kinga kibanyareko bagokora chisemi korwa se chiskuru chiria secondary.
We had students waiting for almost 2 years before they could join university. When I became Minister for Higher Education, I decided that it was time to eliminate this challenge that had been with us for a long time and nobody wanted to make the decision because it was difficult. When I made that decision and provided the leadership for us to get out of that conundrum, I received a lot of flack. But because it was the right decision, we implemented it. Today, many of our students are beneficiaries, that they can complete their higher education this year and join university next year. And we stopped the hemorrhage in our education system of many students who, staying at home for 2 years, ended up getting married and ended up not pursuing higher education.
Igoro yechinjira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iranyara ko bagikwira kwene kiabuna nyale ko bagigusira bana bali bakuru ase chinga chiri chitali kwenyara nigoro utwanyale ko bagagoteba umuroberio omuyabo gusira chisemi che university nigora chikobo wikira ni gwa senchira yobo ikira nwara ase serikali ane wizara y'ichisemi irachikobo kwene kiabuna bali abuka babuate okugania okonne nabo ekiganja kiria kia help kira chikobo gekoyena na obokonyi nigo boigo nyara ko bagakurie irabuna kubwatikana na okongusana naho gotinde kwanyale ko bakorekana roro ase abana bali guchikoba goswa university nigo bono eserikali anene ewizara y'ichisemi yanyale ko bagekorwa omoroberio muyeho yora chikoba kwene kyangonyale ko bagokobeka tenene chibesa ichira chikoba chikoganiwa gochiase abana libanyale ko bakwegenderia sobugimo bwa bwakeli tuko chinga kibara chikoba gwesanania amone chisemi chiria che university.
I am also persuaded that we need a funding model that is not focused on the university, but focused on the student. A funding model that will not leave any child in Kenya behind. A funding model that recognizes that there are children from vulnerable families. I don't think it is correct for all of us to assume that we are all the same and that students from vulnerable families don't need affirmative action. They do. And that is why, in this new model, we are increasing scholarship and loan for students from vulnerable families from 80% to 95%. I am persuaded that it is the right thing to do. And so, as it was difficult before, so it is now, but the right decisions need to be made anyway. We will celebrate them further down the road. To the class of 2024, I congratulate you on your hard work and achievement. I wish you success as you go forth into the world. Practice your professions and actualize your great potential for the benefit of your families and your nation. I pray fervently that your wisdom, integrity, and strength increase as you put your knowledge and skills to the service of God, our Creator, our nation, and to our fellow citizens. Thank you very much. My very best wishes. Well done. God bless you.
Oncho muhurigire na kulira irabune nsemo ya kabere ya mayanto chikoba tokomera na amonere Nixon Onyango. Nixon Onyango nigo ale omo director wa eskuru ya Korista College ye kwena na wama igelio higoro ya obumanyi bwa computers no ale ime studio turachikoba tokusanga amonera sobwengo igatwara nga bantabangine go banyara ko bagutumya obumanyi obwo asenchera etali engikerano konyoranga abokonyora SMS ase esimia kwanyara chi computer chino bumanyi obu bwanyara ko bogutumeka nabo igo bwi bwanyara ko bokwena kiwona chikoba gotomuro bilinga ikiraba kwena na maigeri yanchira kibako kora ebyo kwena kiabuna abanafunzi aba bakonyora amageri aya banyara ko bakoyotumia asenchera yobo ikera musangali bo liago amona intwe kinga kibono taraso asense moya kabere ya maya togoska mutwe gati abali banyara ko bagoikirana ase omoyega oyobo ko bekerwa chigutu ase university ya Baraton nomo waziri wechisemi Julius Ogambo oyo onyara ko baga ko ene kiabuna omoroberio omoya wechisemi CBC nigo gendere ko bago ko bekerwa oboroso boisaine helio kwene kiabuna abana abagenda tamuno omoroberio yobwechisemi banyare ko bakoyora aria aganeirie nigo anyare ko bakurira buna ewizara yechisemi nechikobage kobeka omokia kigima na kwene kiabuna monchoreria yo anyare ko baga kwene kiwa na bigo chiskuru na chirche secondary nyare ko bachiko yaligania bene helio ko banyora abana abo barachiko bakurwa se chiskuru chiria cha junior secondary.
Your Excellency, the value-based education is in fact a critical pillar of both the competency-based curriculum and the competency-based education and training that we continue to roll out in our education system under your very able leadership. I am confident that once the new curriculum runs full cycle across all the levels of education, our education system will cement its place in the world as one of the best. As part of this process, we are working with our universities to ensure that they are ready for the CBC cohort in 2029. As we do this, we are also implementing various reforms that are designed to enhance access, equity, and quality across all the levels of our education system. These include the student-centered funding model for higher education. Your Excellency, we have reoriented the processes under the funding model to make it more responsive to stakeholder concerns. As we gather here today, students due to join universities are receiving their revised admission letters, clearly indicating their respective household contributions to their fees. All public universities would have completed this exercise by tomorrow, the 19th of August, 2024. In addition, Your Excellency, to enhancing access and equity in higher education financing, the student-centered funding model also seeks to revitalize our public universities and to place them on a path to sustainability. What our universities must do, however, is also to take deliberate measures to assure their own relevance and sustainability.
Asensemo yaye nigo mo Vice Chancellor we University eyo omuya Professor Jackson Musafiri anyarakoba gakogo kera mariganio amaya yanyarakoba gako yanyora echinga kibona nyarekoba gago swasobo teneneri we University ni ganyarakoba gakoli yachira anachikoba gakobeka omukia elio kwenekia buna boteneneri we University yubwanyarekoba bogo tingi waligago keira boigo obokoleri bo Vice Chancellor oyo korwa bono as University Professor Philip Mayo oyote bire niganya reko bagakobeka omukyo muikirano likwenekia buna omoroberio omuya wechisemenya reko bakwenekiwa asobotenerwe University eyo ya East Africa Baraton.
I am deeply humbled by the warm welcome I have received from the entire university fraternity. I come into this role as a fellow worker and team leader, fully aware that the success of your institution is the result of our collective efforts. Each person's role, whether large or small, is crucial to our shared mission. The reception I have received reinforces my confidence that I will have the full support and cooperation of every member of UEAB community. Together, we will advance our mission, uphold our values, and ensure that our university remains a beacon of excellence in education and services. Together, as we look forward, let us remember that the true strength of our university lies not just in the infrastructure or in the numbers, but in the spirit of collaboration, innovation, and excellency that each of us bring to our roles. It is this spirit that will guide us as we continue to scale new heights and make a lasting impact to the lives of our students and the broader community. I would like to pay special tribute to our outgoing Vice Chancellor, Professor Philip Maio. Under Professor Maio's leadership, our institution has undergone an extraordinary transformation. His vision and commitment have
Tugoskan mutweni gomokonyi bumurayi bwenseriga digashagwa sentunde nanyarekoba weso kina kuburia abarai abo bacholera mona bananchi banyarekoba bakomorekera chinsemo aao ejo kirengete ngabanyarekoba gwikirania chira chamagandras chinsemo bacholire gokwana litkolero maiga yo gwikirana somo iga bwenyangi ayemo asoro ngorwa centro gashagwa nigo hanyarekoba gagoteba anene abananchi nigo bale maiso nakoyene kinga banyarekoba bakomorekera boikiranu gati yemeroberi magendero yo abarai banyare koba baguikerania nigo anyara koba kwenekia bunga obochori bumwaka w'ikirubira 2025 nebere niga monchoreria ahara chikoba kwenekiwa anene abarai bange gotachoro na kwera nabisi onyabono mbali gochikoba kubika emerobiri ya botambe kwenekia buna chira cha magendero imeyense ya Kenya chanyalire koba chikwenekiwa.
And as we prepare tukienda hii uchaguzi tunaenda. Hii uchaguzi inakuwa kali sana. Najua mimi ni mtu ya kusikiza ground. Some serious decisions have already been made. By this December, ulisikia nikisema siku nilikuwa Inoro. By this December, decisions will have been made on who is coming back and who is going home. And after December, you cannot change anything. So wale wamepotea njia between now and December, ujaribu kufanya nini? Coordination. Na mimi ni mtu ya ground, mimi nasikiza sana. I always listen to the people, but what I know is that watu wetu wamerefuka sana. People are very intelligent. Naweza kuona watu wamenyamaza. Unafikiria tu wako tu pale, hakuna kitu wanajua. Unawadanganya, wanakuangalia tu. They don't say anything. Especially hii watu ya hii Mlima Kenya. Kama wataki wewe unajua wasemi. They just keep quiet. Ukiona hii watu ya Mlima Kenya wamenyamaza na hawaongei, hawakupigi kelele, hawasemi wewe kwenda, wamenyamaza tu, wewe ujue mambo yako yamefanya nini? Yeah. But when you hear they are making noise, wagali wako na hope that unaweza rekebisha mane.
Torigererie hayaringete siasa nigo egati yabarai bobo mubwazimio bakoragwa amonere Kalonzo Musyoka banyarako bagwesokia na koyemochia serikali asukuri gitambukiro ya okoyerosia serikali y'ubwamogosiria chikobage kubwaterana ukwana ime county ya Embu nigo Kalonzo nyareko bagoteba kubatukana okorosio gwa serikali y'ubwamo nigo bono yanyareko bage gutuguterare amaganyo yanyarako bagakobekwa mutu amoneke umbekia ya Gen Z boigo no morio belio onyarako bago goikiranigwa amone gati yabarai na boigo omuliki obotambe bwekiama gia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni onyarako bago tuguterare ngwane yanyarako bagikobekwa tenenganigo oyo kabeire omuraibwense Uhuru Kenyatta nyarako baga koba somo sali moto kwenekia una onyareko baga korotota ogochakiwa wa serikali eyo yobomo.
And no matter what may have happened thereafter, formation of the so-called government, broad-based government, which has not taken into account the concerns of the Gen Z, we think that that is an act of futility. It is a betrayal, actually a betrayal. It's like kicking the youth on their teeth. Na kuambia mutadu. So this is this government of so-called broad-based government is riding on the death of our children. And nobody has even dared to look behind and say what happened. So from Embu, we want to show solidarity with the people of Embu who came out and demonstrated. The right to demonstrate is guaranteed under the Constitution. Now these are the rights that Mzee Kibaki gave, and some of us were privileged to be standing next to him when we saw allegiance to Constitution 2010.
Important to also say that when you talk about my party leader Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, his mind is also clear. Aliambia watu wa dunia hii hasa hapa Mount Kenya, musiugane, musiende kwa UDA, kuna shida. Sasa hawezi kuwa yeye ndio anaambia mtu mwingine asiende waungane naye kwa serikali. You just need to add 1 + 1. There's no way he will be and those double speaks are not good for leadership. They are in UDA and we are not there. Uhuru has not instructed any of us to go and join a government that is unconstitutional. 1, 2, serikali ambayo yeye mwenyewe majonzi yake ni kwamba watoto waliuawa kiholera, wengine wajulikani walipo.
We are going to stand with the Gen Zs, with the millennials, with the people of Kenya, who are saying Ruto must go.
It's not usually a very busy area on weekends here.
And no matter what may have happened thereafter, formation of the so-called government, broad-based government, which has not taken into account the concerns of the Gen Z, we think that that is an act of futility. It is a betrayal, actually a betrayal. It's like kicking the youth on their teeth. Na kuambia mutadu. So this is this government of so-called broad-based government is riding on the death of our children. And nobody has even dared to look behind and say, what happened? So from Embu, we want to show solidarity with the people of Embu who came out and demonstrated. The right to demonstrate is guaranteed under the Constitution. Ni right. Now this
Wanchomo ligereria oroboti oruo ruabarai ba obomo bwa Azimio Kenya na otogo ya kera omosmali kolende ntoenda somote mukomwe kigima chingaki ngoirana asense moya kabere ya maiya ninyara ko bingo sanga amono mogeni na nyara ko bagingo gotebina kiakurukwa igakurukwa Nixon Onyango. Nixon Onyango nigo ale omo director bwa ecology ya Korista yegotoka se ensemo elia yasunika kerenga ekeneto kuchukobatu kwanera nobya na obobehu bwanyara ko baboko letwa amono bomanyi obo bolengete chikombiu tonde ko batali boli sanga amono inte togenda leto skale ngona tara ensemo ya kabere nyara ko batu sanga amono mogeni.